Understanding opacity, a key concept in various contexts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: opacity. You might have heard this term in different contexts, and it can be a bit tricky to understand at first. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what opacity means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dive in. Opacity is a noun, and it describes the quality of being either transparent, translucent, or opaque. When something is opaque, it means that you cannot see through it. On the other hand, if something has low opacity, it means that it is more transparent or see-through. This term is commonly used in various fields, including art, computer graphics, and even in everyday language when describing non-physical concepts. In art and design, opacity plays a crucial role. When an artist wants to create a sense of depth or layering in their work, they manipulate the opacity of their materials. For example, in digital art or photo editing, changing the opacity of a layer can make it appear more faded or blended with the layers beneath it. This can create a variety of effects and contributes to the overall mood and feel of the artwork. Beyond the world of art, opacity can also describe lack of transparency in non-physical terms. For instance, if someone's intentions or motives are described as opaque, it means that they are not clear or easy to understand. In this context, a high level of opacity implies a lack of clarity or openness. Now that we understand what opacity means, let's look at some examples of how to use it in a sentence. 1. The opacity of the glass made it impossible to see through. 2. Due to the opacity of the situation, we were unable to make an informed decision. 3. He appreciated the opacity of the watercolor, as it allowed the previous layer to show through. 4. The company's finances were shrouded in opacity, making it difficult for investors to fully understand the risks involved. In each of these sentences, opacity is used to describe a quality of being hard to see through or understand, whether it's a physical object like glass or an abstract concept like a situation. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at the term opacity and how it is used in different contexts. Whether you're talking about art, design, or everyday situations, understanding this term can help you describe things more precisely and accurately. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of opacity for you. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep practicing your English.